fiery talk can lead to fatal misunderstandings.
In China, which says this is getting dangerous, no one would win a war. And in South Korea, which claims this morning North Korea is moving warplanes to new positions. The tripwires on the path to possible war are growing as missiles, warplanes and the risks of miscalculation rise.
Some experts now fear the man-made earthquakes from North Korea's hydrogen bomb test could trigger an eruption of Mount Baekdu, a volcanic mountain located on the country's border with China. Yoo Jun-hee reports.
Last Saturday, a magnitude 3.5 earthquake was detected in Punggye-ri, home to North Korea's nuclear test site. Although it was a natural tremor, not a man-made quake from another nuclear test, as some had initially feared, experts say the phenomenon may have artificial origins. According to experts, Punggye-ri lies in an area that is seismically stable, where naturally occurring earthquakes are very rare. However, since North Korea's nuclear test earlier this month, 3 natural earthquakes have struck the area, leading to speculation that man-made causes are to blame for the sudden increase in seismic activity.
The scale of the last nuclear test may have induced a lot of stress in the surrounding rock formations, and the latest quakes may have been a release of that pressure.
Experts fear the force of the tremor from North Korea's latest nuclear test may have extended all the way to Mount Baekdu, an active volcano that straddles the country's border with China. Underneath the mountain, some 100 kilometers away from Punggye-ri, lies a large magma chamber that may have been disturbed by the man-made earthquakes.
When seismic waves enter magma chamber, it causes disturbances in the particles which can create bubbles that trigger an eruption.
There are also fears that North Korea's hydrogen bomb test may have caused cracks in the Earth's crust, through which radioactive matter could leak out, possibly affecting neighboring countries like South Korea and China.
And history certainly shows wars can start from small sparks.
Now, it's important to note that at the beginning of September, North Korea tested its first hydrogen bomb, a much more advanced nuclear weapon than they previously have tested and proliferated. And furthermore, they're announcing at this point that they intend to carry out another test of a hydrogen bomb, but this time it will not take place within North Korea itself, but rather in the Pacific Ocean. So many are wondering what will happen if North Korea does indeed test a hydrogen bomb in the Pacific Ocean. What response will we see from the United States? As of yet, it's just a war of words, but people are concerned. Many people around the world are no doubt concerned that this could lead to a catastrophic conclusion.